Hi Brother June, napakahigpit po ng bilin sa akin na ako po ay makapagbigay bati po sa inyo sa inyong kaarawan. But Brother June, I just want to wish you a happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday po, and I hope to see you soon. Please enjoy your special day. God bless you and happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Aga mulak po, bati sa inyo. Maraming salamat. See you soon.